Built in 2016, 21%, 1600 kilograms. 42460368.
I'm pretty sure someone's gonna come on the first floor.
Yes, probably.
I think yes. Yep.
Куда нам придется подождать?
Going up. Easy etaż. First floor. Going down.
However, the lights are not LEDs, they're tube lights.
Yes. What should we do now? Take another ride or?
I think yes.
Okay, let's try it.
Going down.
No one's coming on the first floor.
If somebody's coming, or if security is coming on first one, then I'll stop immediately.
Yes, the lights are not LEDs.
No, weird enough.
Первый этаж. First floor.
Nope.
Идет вверх.
Yeah.
Going up.
Yes, I was too slow, but still. Nobody got inside. I think after this we will have to go to what was the station on Kaltsevaya line? Kievskaya, yes. But that European shopping center. Yes. Maybe we can eat somewhere there too. And that bridge too.
Yes.
Okay. There it goes, and that's it.